In a bustling city, a teenager named Mia started a community fridge project. But here's the kicker. Did you know that 40% of food in the US is wasted, yet 1 in 8 Americans struggle with hunger? Mia's quirky solution? A fridge open to all, stocked with surplus food from local stores. The twist? The fridge's location was once a parking spot. This ingenious idea not only feeds the hungry but also reduces food waste. Mia's fridge is a beacon of hope, proving small actions can spark big change. Like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring stories.